Good morning everyone. Hope you all are fit fine. So students, today we are going to discuss about future perfect tense. Future perfect tense में कौन से helping verb use होती है? Yes, will have, shall have, third form of the verb. Am I right? Yes students. तो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में कौन सी फॉर्म यूज होती है? हेल्पिंग वर्ब कौन सी यूज होती है? विल हैव, शैल हैव प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. नाउ दीज सेंटेंसेस, द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज इन एक्टिव फॉर्म. नाउ व्हाइल मेकिंग पैसिव फॉर्म, पैसिव वॉइस क्या यूज करेंगे हम? व्हाट आर द चेंजेस वी डू? लेट्स डिस्कस अबाउट दैट. Suppose in a sentence will have or shall have given, तो आपने क्या लगाना है? Will have been plus third form of the verb. Will have been. अगर shall है तो क्या यूज करोगे आप? I के साथ, we के साथ, shall have been. I shall have been, we shall have been. Third form of the verb. And rest changes you know. So first sentence, Rohit will have learned the poem. So here, learned. Verb की कौन सी form है learned? First है, second है, third है. Third form. What is the first form? Learn. Second form learned. And third form learnt. Rohit will have learnt the poem. Subject Rohit, object the poem. Now object will become subject in passive form, passive voice. The poem will have, क्या ऐड कर देना है हमने? Been. The poem will have been. Third form of the verb learnt. The poem will have been learnt by Rohit. यहाँ पे ये subject है, but active voice में, but in passive voice it will become object in the sentence. तो structure क्या है? Subject, object, passive form का क्या है structure? Object, helping verb, being, third form of the verb by subject. Next sentence says, I shall have revised the work. तो I and we के साथ what do we use? Shall. I shall have helping verb, revised third form of the verb, the work. I shall have revised the work. Now here, the work will be in the beginning of the sentence while making passive voice. The verb, अब verb के साथ what do we use? Will or shall? Yes? Will. The verb will have been, third form of the verb is revised. The verb will have been revised by I का, I will be me. The verb will have been revised by me. Next sentence says, Ravi will have filled the admission form. So here with Ravi, with singular noun, what do we use? Will have, third form of the verb. Ravi will have filled the admission form. So here Ravi क्या है? Ravi is the subject. Will have is the helping verb. Filled, third form of the verb. The admission form is object in the sentence. Now object will become subject here. The admission form will have, what we will add here? Been. The admission form will have been filled by Ravi. So here what I will write on here? Will have been. The admission form will have been filled by Ravi. Right? Next sentence is she will have grilled the fish. With he, she, it, singular noun except I and we. Which helping verb we will use? We will use will, have, third form of the verb. In future perfect tense. In active form यही आएगा. But while making passive form, helping verb के साथ what we will add? Being. Now she will have grilled the fish. तो she क्या है? Subject. Will have क्या है? Helping verb. Grilled, third form of the verb. The fish, object. Now in passive form, passive voice, what will be the subject? The object given in active voice. The fish किससे स्टार्ट करेंगे सेंटेंस से? The fish से. लास्ट वाले से. The fish will have been grilled. Will have helping verb है. With helping verb क्या ऐड कर दिया हमने? Been. Will have been तो grilled third form of the verb by her. She का क्या हो जाएगा? Her. अगर यहाँ पे he होता him. अगर यहाँ पे I होता तो यहाँ पे shall be होता. तो I होता तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता? Me. अगर we होता we shall have तो यहाँ पे क्या हो जाता? By us. अगर यहाँ पे होता they, them. Next is you will have brought the purse. You will have brought the purse. So यहाँ पे helping verb क्या है? Will have. Third form bought the purse, object in the sentence. So students यहाँ पे the purse will become subject now. The purse will have been. Will have helping verb है. Been add करने के साथ will have been bought. थर्ड फॉर्म बाय की क्या होती है? bought. यहाँ पे भी थर्ड फॉर्म गिवन है. bought. Will have been bought by you. You का क्या रहता है? You ही रहता है. You का चेंज नहीं होता है. So students, in future perfect tense जो वॉइस फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस से रिलेट होती हैं, फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस में होती है, वहाँ पे क्या हेल्पिंग वर्ब यूज होता है? Will have थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. और जब हम इनकी पैसिव फॉर्म बनाते हैं तो क्या ऐड करते हैं? Will have been प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस by प्लस जो सब्जेक्ट है वो ऑब्जेक्ट बन जाता है और जो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है वो सब्जेक्ट बनता है. So I hope with the help of these examples you have understood this topic. Thank you.